Hi everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily install the Teufel headphones application for your Teufel Real headphones in your Android device. So to install and set up our application, the first step is to enter the Play Store. Here now we have to enter the search bar, and in the search bar we have to search for the Teufel. The first application is Teufel Go, and this is the application we have to install. So we have to tap install button here, and now we have to wait a moment. It may take a few seconds or a minute maximum. Here now we have to tap open. Here we have I am aware of the privacy policy. Okay, let's get started. Root of permissions, allow. Root of access, allow. Now, as you can see, we have looking for your product. So, if our product is not in pairing mode, we have to enter the settings, connected devices. Pardon me, not connected devices. We have to here enter the connections, Bluetooth. And here now we have to pair our headphones with our device. Teufel Real Blue. Pair. And now we can go back here to here, and now we just have to wait until our application finds our headphones. It might take a while, so don't worry. As you can see, now our headphones are found. We have to tap skip here, and all done. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.